Welcome back to Learning Traits. In today's video, we are diving into the world of network ports and understanding their purpose. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about some common ports used for file transfer, remote access, and secure connection. Let's start with FTP for data connection over port 20. Is used for transferring files between a client and a server. FTP control connection over port 21 is used for transferring the files between a client and a server. TFTP trivial file transfer protocol over port 69 is simpler unauthenticated version of FTP used for transferring small files. TFTP is an unauthenticated version of FTP and it is used for transferring small files over port 69. SFTP, FTP over TLS, SSL over ports 989, 990. These ports are used for secure file transfers over FTP using encryption and adding an extra layer of protection. SFTP over 989 and 990. SMB, Server Message Block Protocol over 445 port number, is used for file sharing and network resource access. SMB over port 445. Telnet over port 23, and this is used for remote login, but it operates over an unencrypted connection which makes it less secure than SSH. So Telnet port number is 23. Let's move on to the next one, which is RDP Remote Desktop Protocol, and the port number is 3389. Allows you to remotely access Windows computers desktop, making it easier to work from anywhere, and this is more secure when compared with Telnet. So RDP is more commonly used for remotely accessing any desktop or monitors, and it's over 3389. RDP port number 3389. Secure Shell or SSH, the port number is 22 and is for secure remote logging and command execution, and it ensures encrypted communication between systems. So these are all the most commonly used port numbers we'll come across. This sums up this particular video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.